You can use auto layouts to present sets of content in columns and rows, carousels, or slideshows. To add an auto layout section including text and images, first click Edit on the page, then click Add Section. Auto layouts are most commonly found in people, services, or testimonials. Look for layouts with an eye icon in the top right corner and click the one you want. To customize your auto layout, explore the Content and Design tabs. To add an auto layout that showcases just images, add a gallery section instead. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.